at Amera Trail has given me the opportunity to pursue my passion, which is my horses and my husband. Due to the flexibility on my work schedule, I am able to spend more time with them. I am truly blessed with the opportunity I have here at Amera Trail.
Amera Trail has impacted my life with a lot of organizational skills. I organize all the dealers, all the OEMs, all the salesmen. I got to keep all of them together. So my organization has to be 100%. I interact with all the dealers. Everybody's become my friends, my family, and it's just been a great place to be.
Working for Amera Trail has impacted my life by allowing me to work closer to home so that I have more time to spend with my family. It's allowed me to develop leadership skills. I run a team of 8. It's also allowed me to grow in my leadership skills by providing management training and networking opportunities.